Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to download TikTok Studio on your PC. So go to any browser you want. I'm using Google Chrome, so you can go any other browser. Then type the name on the search bar, and here can see tiktok.com. Then click here on right top corner on your screen. Then you can see the live studio. Simply click here. Once you click here, then you can see go live with more ease and better engagement. So free download for Windows. So simply click here, and there is a only supports 64 bits Windows 10 or newer. This studio will not available below the 10 like 8 or XP. So you have to use 10 or 11, then you can use this. So simply tap click here, free download for Windows, then it takes few time to download on your device. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.